Talk like an American teen. Episode 21. Black Friday Madness. Black Friday, the day of deals, discounts, and total chaos. Will Sofia survive her first American shopping adventure? Let's find out.
Whoa, I've never seen so many people at 6 a.m. What's happening?
Welcome to Black Friday. Today, people wake up early just to chase crazy deals.
And some of them get way too excited. Last year, someone ran for a blender like it was the Olympics.
A blender? Seriously?
Yep, half price turns normal people into superheroes.
This place is wild. There are so many signs. Doorbuster? What does that mean?
It means the deal is so good, people bust the doors to get it. Not literally. Well, usually not.
Stick with us, Sofia. Rule number 1, walk fast, don't look back.
What is this? Shopping or survival training?
Okay, mission time. I'm hunting for jeans.
I want a new jacket, preferably not ripped out of someone's hands.
And I need... I don't actually know what I need.
Classic rookie mistake. Black Friday chooses you, not the other way around.
There! It's the last one.
Should I be scared?
A little, but also excited. This is part of the adventure.
Oh, wow. That TV is normally $800. Now it's $300.
Yep, and look, people are already forming a line.
Sophia, if you want it, you have to decide fast.
I think I do.
Then go, hurry!
Lucky, that was the last one.
Wait, really? I've never won anything in my life.
Today, you won Black Friday.
I can feel my feet. My arms hurt. And I think I fought a crowd for a TV. But honestly, this was kind of fun.
Told you, Black Friday is chaos with a discount.
And now you're officially part of the tradition.
Cool. Next year, can we wake up at 7 instead?
No.
No.
They had fun and survived Black Friday.